I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your phone number on Varo is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your smartphone. Make sure you reload into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon or the settings gear to navigate to your account settings. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Personal Information and tap on it. This is where you can manage your contact details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the section for your phone number and enter your new number. Make sure to double check it for accuracy before saving. A quick tip, if you accidentally enter a wrong digit, you might not receive the verification code needed to confirm the change. Step 5. Confirm the change. After saving your new number, Varo will send a verification code to your new phone. Enter this code to complete the update. A tip. You've successfully changed your phone number on Varo. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer support.